Thank you for watching, or thank you for clicking on this video to watch. I just wanted to do something really special. I teamed up with some other fellow YouTubers and Instagrammers, and I wanted for a chance to kind of give back. I hit a 5K mark here with my subscribers, which is 5,000 though. And I really want to say thank you so much for watching my videos. It's just me, my little camera. I shouldn't say little, because my husband went all out and buying me a camera and a light and everything. And he truly, I feel really grateful because he really believes in what I'm doing and my passion. And I've been working really hard, and he sees that. And I see so many loyal subscribers that keep coming back and, watching my videos and leaving me comments. I may not have a chance to respond to all, but I do my best to get back to as many as possible. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching, and I'd love to hear more about what you would like to hear from me as far as product reviews, other giveaways, tutorials, things like that. Leave some comments below here on YouTube at the bottom. And if you have any companies that you think that I should collaborate with, please feel free to leave a comment below that what you'd like to see. And I always try to have your back, because every time I try to collaborate with a brand, I try to team up with a giveaway with them. So it's my way of just trying to give back to you guys. And if I'm going to tell you about a great product, I try my best to do a giveaway with them so that you get a chance to get your hands on something great, a product that I truly believe in. I know there's so much out there, and it's so hard to pick and choose what you want to buy, what you want to spend on, and we all have budgets. So it's just my way of kind of giving back. By the way, when I film my videos, I film them in front of my fireplace. I feel like that's the only place here so far that I have like a neutral, so you're not getting lost in anything else in the background, any of the chaos back here at my house. I'm thinking about getting some backdrops to kind of keep it clear and simple. Anyways, but if you know of any backdrops, any suggestions, please, I'd love to hear them, so I can look them up and see if it's a good fit. But so the giveaway that I'm doing is $800 PayPal cash giveaway. It's open to all contestants. You don't have to be here just in the US. I know I have some loyal subscribers that are across the sea. So this is opportunity for you to actually enter to win $800 in PayPal cash giveaway. So you're given that cash if you won, and you have the opportunity to spend it on whatever it is that you'd like. So if you want to just pamper yourself, then go for it. Or you have some bills that you need to pay and you could use a little extra help, well, maybe this is your opportunity that you can win. So to enter the giveaway, all you need to do is go to the video description below, and right when you click on it, it'll say enter giveaway at the top. And there's a link on there, so click on that link. It's a safe link. It's to my website, and it gives you all the possible ways that you can enter this giveaway. And it'll take you 2 minutes at most. So what's a minute, minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes for you to enter to win $800 in PayPal cash? It's really not that bad. The winner will be announced there where you enter the giveaway. So you'll be able to see that a few days after the giveaway ends. But I guess that's all. Thank you so much, and best of luck. Bye.